with the Russell here, it's pretty choppy so far to start, like yesterday. With the 50 coming up, this is where we were at the start, and it looks, that's a good long trade. That's the kind of long trade I want to be in. You got the support of the 50 pushing up, 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 and if it crosses over and keeps going, it's going to be a really nice trade, but it could fail. This is a test zone, and it did. It failed, so look to roll over. Unfortunately, no setups, because that would have been a nice place to go short. But that, even though that trade failed, it's the kind of trade I'd want to be in. Counterpunch got you short on the range bar right here. That's the trade on Counterpunch. Counterpunch is great with the Russell. This range bar is here for a reason. It's been fantastic ever since we started looking at it, who knows when, a long time ago. This is one of the best charts. Spotlight or whatever, Counterpunch is still great. And this has been a really strong winning chart. I think Spotlight wins at a higher rate. Still think Spotlight's probably even better, but this is no slouch. This is winning in the 70+% win rate. Let's go ahead and set this as the trackable. So there's your Counterpunch trade. Nothing on Spotlight, as you can see. Okay, getting a nice bounce off the 50 moving average here, as it looks like it's starting to roll over on the Russell. If we can get a setup with Spotlight, would sure be nice. Not sure if we will. Possible. So far, very little range in the Russell. What, less than 3 points? Around 3 points, maybe. The Counterpunch is already short, and that looks like it's going to work out really nicely if it could just push down a little bit. But the way the moving averages are positioned is encouraging. And there it is, hitting money management. So lock in your one tick. Lock in one tick if you're in the Counterpunch short on the Russell. So we didn't really get the setup on the momentum bar on the Russell. We just got to be patient on Spotlight. Heads up on the Russell, 1403.8 on Spotlight is a long. You want to move that entry up a little bit over the 200? Yeah, maybe. I don't see why not. Go one tick maybe. All right, so the Russell getting long on Spotlight. Failure to get lower. Hopefully we'll push it higher. I'm in this Russell trade right now, right there. Try to use the momentum. All right, now I'm moving my stop to lock in a tick on the Russell. Just came up and hit money management, so I'm moving my stop to 1404.2, right? I got in it. No, it's too far. I should move it to, I got in at 0.9 because I made a one tick adjustment. I'm going to put my stop at 1404 even in this case. Just lock in my one tick. And trying to get to target 2. Let's see if we can push a little further up and hit it. Because I made a little adjustment on my entry by one tick. I'm accounting for that with my one tick lock-in. I'm trying to get to there, 1404, and there it is. Boom, I'm out. One and done on Spotlight yet again. I don't remember the last time I've had a losing session on the Russell.